All right, so welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 11416 Eucalyptus Hills Drive, which is a charming, renovated 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-story house with a multiple ADU development or conversion opportunity built in 1958 with 2,109 square feet on a peaceful and private 1-acre lot here in the Eucalyptus Hills neighborhood within the city of Lakeside 92040. This house is in the Lakeside Farms Elementary School boundaries for K through 5th grades, which is just over a mile away. It feeds into Lakeside Middle School for 6th through 8th grades, which is just under 2 miles from the house, and El Capitan High School, which serves 9th through 12th grades and is also about 2 miles away. My name's Jesse Morrison, and I'm going to be walking you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'll go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before getting started, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description section below. That way you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, now let's get into it. All right, so we're looking at the front of the house here. You can notice the big U-shaped driveway, and that is an exterior 2-car garage. And on the other side is like another building, which they have as a gym, which I'll show you a little bit towards the end of this video. But I want you to just notice how large this lot is. So over here where the boat is, it extends, the property lot extends that direction. You have the sliding gate in order to get your, keep your stuff nice and private. Making our way up this direction, we have solar panels up at the roof. This lot is about an acre, a little bit over an acre large. Facing out this way is west. Notice the hillside. There's hills on either side of you, actually all around you. Eucalyptus Hills has just got a lot of peaceful, beautiful views. So as we make our way to the front, we are greeted with this, wide open space. Notice all the light colors on the walls, all the natural light that kind of floods in through the house. You have this space here, which is the big family room. You got the master bedroom that way, the kitchen here. This is the primary living space. You can put a dining table here and more seating that direction. You got your big covered patio out here, and then over there is where the other bedrooms and bathrooms are. So I'll go ahead and show you those a little bit later, but of the interior part. But we're going to start here in the kitchen and then make our way out towards the master here in a sec. But notice that these counters here, they're made out of quartz, and there's plenty of counter space in this kitchen. You have a extra wide stainless steel sink here that overlooks the covered patio. So imagine doing your dishes, looking out towards, some seating out there. I don't know, what are those called? You got an electric stove. This is where you put your refrigerator. Notice that most everything in here is going to be electric because you have those solar panels to keep your bills nice and low. So these, whoops, let me open this up a little bit. So you got pull-out drawers in here. So even though these cabinets aren't brand new, they have upgraded them to have some of these nice features like these pull-out drawers as well. All right, notice the floors. This is a laminate. It's not a vinyl, I believe. If maybe you know better than me, you can comment below. I love this big beam. It's wide open space here. I don't know what you would do with this space, but I'd probably, you could put a big TV on this wall, I'd probably put like a pool table in here, or make it a big game room, or you could put seating, make it like a movie theater room. All right, notice the big tall ceilings in the master. I want to say they're 12 feet tall. They might extend up to about 13 feet at the peak there at the vault. But they're super tall, makes this room feel super grand. Here's your master bath. Love the vanity. And this walk-in shower has the floor to ceiling tile work. All the tile work's really nice in here. Very clean. You got your toilet room there. And then this master closet, look at how it extends all the way back to that far wall. So there's tons and tons of space in there for your clothes. So this is towards the side of the yard. It's facing north, where the garage and the gym are, which I'll show you a little bit later, towards the end of this video. I can't wait to show you the gym. It's beautiful. Notice the baseboards throughout. The lighter colors on the walls again. So I like that there's two different sliding glass doors there. This is where your laundry is. So your dryer goes over here, and then your wash machine there. And notice that this is an electric outlet there. So everything stays efficient with those solar panels. The hard floors continue out this way, except in the bedrooms. You have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms over here, and they're all carpeted. And this is the bathroom that services these 3 bedrooms, right? This is the biggest of the 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. Okay. It looks out over the backyard, and also the covered patio. So it brings in lots of light, but it's also very private. This is your attic access. I believe the HVAC system is up there, because I did not see it, in a closet. This is the second biggest room of the house, or of the rooms over here. Again, notice that there's carpet in these bedrooms here. All the rooms have recessed lighting. This is out south, and the property line goes out that direction too, and then towards the front of the house, which faces west. I'll show you where that property line extends to when we make our way out to the backyard. But here's the final bedroom of the house. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. It is a little bit shorter, but it's deep. Out there is towards the front of the house. Again, you got those big mature trees out there for shade and just privacy, and it's pretty. Okay, here's the bathroom. It's a nice and deep bathroom. You got the dual vanity there. Some of the cool features about this vanity, check this out. You have these electrical outlets out here, got the little circle nooks in there, more storage here, nice sliding drawers there with the soft close. That's a nice vanity. And then you have the tub here, which is great for kids, the built-in nook here, which is nice. And then the fixtures here allow you to, shower here, and also have this to, get areas that are easier to have access there. I like the wide access for the toilet as well, so you're not super scrunched in like most bathrooms are. And this is it's nice and deep. It's where you put your linens, your linen closet. I think this is where the HVAC used to be. That's why I think the HVAC is up in your attic now. Okay, because of these 2 sliding glass doors here, you have awesome inside outside living, and because it's nice and covered, it's always going to be cool on this side. That's where your water heater is. But notice these big tall ceilings here. Again, there's lots of space to put nice seating under the covered area. This is a turf, right? And it extends all the way throughout the yard. I love this stonework here. You can put more seating out there, a nice big table. Gives you lots of options there, and all covered by that big tree. Vinyl fencing over here. Again, this looks kind of like southish, and that's how deep your yard is. It's fully fenced. I'm gonna try to see this chain link fence here. It goes all the way down to Eucalyptus Hills Drive down there, and then up this way. And the chain link there, you got a little fence area or a gate that allows you to access this part of the yard, so you could park like RVs or other toys, or it can just be more guest parking if you wanted. And the fence line carries out this way to keep keep this whole yard space completely private. All right, I love the little hillside there and the greenery. All right, so they get the vinyl fence here again, and here is the northern side of the lot at the newer AC unit. Notice the stucco work outside on all of these buildings here, really clean and nice. This is your 2-car garage, right? So this 2-car garage would be a really great option if you wanted to look into converting that into like an ADU, or you can do the that other building over there too as maybe another ADU. Just there's a lot of options here that you can use, but as we make our way over to this building, this one is actually done up as a gym currently. It's not just an empty box like the garage, but look at how nice this is, right? It has the AC up there, the split unit, tall ceilings, recessed lighting, has its own attic space. All the electricals over here already. Nice private exterior as you walk out. You got this big wide yard space. Remember, the yard extends all the way out this way. See the chain link fence? Again, that's what's gonna, go around the perimeter of your lot. And that's out front where we started this video tour. So all this space goes with the house. Pretty sweet, right? Thanks so much for touring 1146 Eucalyptus Hills Drive with me. If you found any of this information, helpful or beneficial, please just make sure to hit that like button to support our channel so that we can continue making more content like this. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar. That way we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I recommend that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate in our housing market.